Hello everyone, today let's talk about hub oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and there is metal. The color is black. This size is 307 and 0723. It has OEM number and the OEM number is 29G73H. This oil seal have many following features. The first one is organized at low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance, high temperature resistance, good structure, good abrasion resistance, oil leakage prevention, mud-proof water, thickened skeleton. This oil seal has skeleton and we can provide customers the service. We can customize this material, this color, and this size, this type. We all can customize. If you are interested in this product, just send us our inquiries, and we also can send you the free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.